Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is morning time, so I'm going to make breakfast. I'm going to show you a healthy Indian breakfast recipe. Yes, it's a dosa, but not ordinary dosa. It's very nutritious, it's gluten free, and very good for weight loss. Today I'm going to make moong dal dosa, but not in the traditional way. I'm making some differences so that the dosa's color will be changed. Normally, moong dal dosa looks like this. I mean slightly green in color, which I don't like. So I'm making a difference. Moong dal dosa is very nutritious, which is made from moong dal. In this video, I'm going to show you a slightly different way. I'm not taking the whole moong dal. Instead of that, I'm taking split moong dal, which is slightly yellow in color. So here is it. The dosas made from this will become slightly creamish in color. So let's get started. I'm taking 1 cup of moong dal. Wash it thoroughly and soak it for 6 to 10 hours. After that, grind it using a mixer grinder. In the time of grinding, you can add green chilies, coriander leaves, or small piece of ginger according to your taste. But today I'm not doing that. I'm just making the plain moong dal dosa, and then add salt according to your taste. Generally, the batter will be on thicker side. If you want, you can add water to adjust the consistency. Basically, it's an instant dosa recipe. I mean, there is no need of fermentation. Once you finish the grinding, then you can start making dosas. So here's the batter. I have added salt and little water. Let's start making dosas. I have put a pan in the stove. Let it heat. I have already made soya bean masala curry, so I will be taking dosas with this curry. I will be uploading a video soon. Actually, this curry looks like a beef curry or something and tastes like non-veg. So it's a must try. Now we can start making dosas. But before that, let me tell you something. The temperature of the pan is very important. You have to monitor that, because if the temperature is very low, the dosa will not be good. And if the temperature is very high, there is chance that the dosa will stick into the pan. So you can sprinkle water to adjust the temperature. Okay. Now I'm start making dosas. You can sprinkle a little bit of ghee or sesame oil to the dosa. It will add a special aroma to your dosa, but I'm not doing that now. You can do that. I would like to add one more thing. This dosa will have a slight raw taste. Okay, so to get rid of that, you have to cook it for a few more seconds than regular dosa. Okay, then the smell won't be there, the taste will be okay. Usually I don't like to take this dosa with coconut chutney, because I don't know why, but I like tomato chutney or curries like this. It's just a personal preference. In this dosa recipe, feel free to make your own changes according to your taste. As I mentioned earlier, you can add veggies according to your taste. Some people would like to add rice to the moong dal while soaking it, and some others will add urad dal to this. It's all up to your taste, but personally I think moong dal only is a better option for health concern. White rice is not that good. So I made the dosa and I'm taking it with my soya bean masala curry. Hope you like this video and please do try it out. You will love it. Thank you for watching.